Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to fix a lost connection due to an error on Roblox. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So this error is also called error 277. So now let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your or this PC or the Explorer, and then after that you want to click on local disk C and then click users, then admin. So once you've clicked on admin, you want to click the view button at the upper part of the tab, and then you want to click on hidden items. Okay, so you need to make sure that the hidden items is checked. And then once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the app data and then local. So after you've clicked on local, just go ahead and search for Roblox. So there. So once you've clicked on Roblox, I want you to do is to go ahead and click on this, the XML document, and then just go ahead and delete that. And then open the logs folder and just go ahead and delete all of the files under the logs. Okay, so after you've deleted all of that, you should, or this should help your problem with this error. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.